Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
Who called Azan during Mi'raj in Baytul Muqaddas? Your options are option A, Angel Jibril alayhi salam, or option B, Prophet Isa alayhi salam. The right answer is option A, Jibril alayhi salam. Who tried to poison Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Your options are option A, Abu Lahab, or option B, Zainab. The right answer is option B, Zainab. When did the conquest of Makkah happen? Your options are option A, Hijri 10, or option B, Hijri 8. The right answer is option B, Hijri 8. What was the name of masjid built by hypocrites in Medina? Your options are option A, Masjid Quba, or option B, Masjid Zarar. The right answer is option B, Masjid Zarar. What was the name proposed by Abdul Muttalib to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Your options are option A, Ahmed, or option B, Muhammad. The right answer is option B, Muhammad. What is the meaning of Surah At-Tababul? Your options are option A, the loss and gain, or option B, the gathering. The right answer is option A, the loss and gain. What is the meaning of Surah At-Talaq? Your options are option A, the tested, or option B, the divorce. The right answer is option B, the divorce. What is the meaning of Surah At-Tahrim? Your options are option A, the prohibition, or option B, the scatterers. The right answer is option A, the prohibition. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Mulk? Your options are option A, the Friday, or option B, the kingdom. right answer is option B, the kingdom. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Qalam? Your options are option A, the star, or option B, the pen. The right answer is option B, the pen.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.